Fellow Bayelsans, a couple of days ago, I felicitated with you in a statewide broadcast on the occasion of the twin anniversaries of the independence of Nigeria and the creation of Bayelsa State. I find it necessary to address you once again. Over the last few days, floods have overwhelmed our communities and severely impacted the lives and livelihood of our people. This is a natural disaster that has affected many other states of the Federation to various degrees. I have been on a tour of several of our communities to see at first hand the extent of destruction. Our experience has shown that the flood water empties into our states. From my personal assessment, the situation is dire. Nearly 1 million people in over 300 communities in the state have been internally displaced. Unfortunately, some deaths have been reported. The narrative is the same across Sagbama, Ekeremo, Southern Ijo, Ogbea, Yenagwa, Nembe, and Kolokuma Opokuma local government areas. Business have been shut, properties lost, and farmlands destroyed. We have a humanitarian crisis. Critical infrastructure like hospitals, roads, bridges, and schools, including the state-owned Niger Delta University Amasoma, the Niger Delta University Teaching Hospital Okolobri, and the University of Africa Tororua have been severely affected. As I make this address, Bayelsa State is completely severed from the rest of the country as portions of the strategic east-west road, the sole access to and from the state between Ugeli and Patani in Delta states, as well as Okogbe and Ahoda in Rivers State, have collapsed with a high volume of flood waters occupying the stretch. Economic hardship has set in as food, medical provisions, and energy are now in short supply. The situation is desperate and getting worse. I wish to, on behalf of the people of Bayelsa State, sincerely thank Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Muhammadu Buhari, for his kind directive to the different federal agencies to come to assist the states. I urge them to comply with this presidential directive expeditiously. Without exaggeration, the sheer scale of the devastation is not such that the states can handle on its own. We urgently solicit the support of multinationals, international donor agencies, the Red Cross, diplomatic missions, and people of goodwill to come to the aid of our states. I appeal to Mr. President to consider special grants to the states from the stabilization funds, ecological funds, and the natural resources fund. My dear people of Bayelsa State, I know these are indeed trying times, and you have my assurance that I will stand with you through every step of the recovery process. The Bayelsa State Task Force on Flood Mitigation and Management, in liaison with the State Emergency Management Agency, has established IDP camps and providing relief materials for victims of the flood. I have also directed that the distribution of these relief materials should be done in a non-partisan manner. We are all first and foremost Bayelsans. The task force can be reached through the following numbers: 08050581188, 08166428624. I hereby direct all public servants, except those on essential duties, to be given time off from work for the next 1 week. Let me make a special appeal to vendors, particularly of fuel, food, water, and pharmaceuticals, not to exploit the situation. We must be our brother's keeper. Government has also observed that at such moments of distress, some miscreants take advantage of the vulnerable population to commit crime. Let me make it clear that we will continue to have zero tolerance for crime and criminality. I know that we are all impacted by this situation, either directly or indirectly. I am also not unaware of the support and love you have shown to each other at this time of adversity. I am deeply inspired by your resilience and solidarity. This is the authentic Ijaw spirit. I salute you all. We serve a miraculous God who will not leave us nor forsake us. Be assured and strengthened by the words from our state memory verse in Isaiah 41 verse 10. Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee. Yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of mine righteousness. This too shall pass. God bless Bayelsa State. God bless Ijaw Nation. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.